He's blind. Bleeding? How's it feel? Can you move? No.
I'm drunk. Go, Shane. One more ring.
Stop picking.
One more round. Get up, okay? Everyone thinks you're a weirdo.
Hey, do you see bugs?
Yeah. Are there bugs on you? Becky, alright, let's go. We need a picture of this. Bugs. Is this video?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Did you eat too much
What? You get your nose, dude. That hurt. Don't, I don't want it.
Keep Tyler.
It's so annoying.
Try to do it.
Alright. Dude, that actually really
Pre-insertion lubrication.
Oh, is it thick? It's thick today or what?
How's that feel? Talk us through it. Talk us through it.
It hurts.
To Jake this time. Jake, behind.
Jake, stop, pull it out. How's it feel?
It feels good.
Do I want it?
Does this feel good?
Come on, shove it.
Take something.
Roll call.
How many was that?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Karen.
Oh shit! What the
Kevin.
Oh, you just spilled water everywhere.
What the?
Clean it up.
What do you do?
There's spilled water. Oh, you're playing with the cat food, Shane. You're gonna die more.
Get out of here. Let's see if you can.
No. Oh God. Wait, let me capture the tear.
I see this. It goes like. He's crying. Shit, notice the dick cover after 1 night go.